It's time to get tactical. So I had some spray paint, some Krylon Camouflage, the Fusion variety, and some Avro, which are both decent paints for camouflage and gear. And I figured this little Cricut 22 single action bolt action would be the perfect test bed to practice painting a snake pattern that I really fell in love with years ago when a guy that we used to shoot with did a really cool snake pattern on one of his bolt action rifles. And I don't really shoot a lot of bolt actions, and the snake pattern really lends itself to that long shape of the rifle, so I thought I'd give it a go. You can see I tried lots of different techniques here. This is actually an hour's worth of filming compressed down into about 4 minutes here, and lots of different trial and error. I used some of the netting. That's an old technique to get the scale type of effect. I used some netting from like some dollar store little bags, and I had a couple of different ones, so I had a couple of different styles of netting. And once I figured out how to get the final look I wanted, I played around with trying to get these darn stripes or designs figured out. Basically the concept here is like a milk snake or a rat snake, which has sort of that zigzag design, a dark belly with a light back, and again you use that netting to get sort of the scale pattern going. And I never really got exactly what I had in mind for this one, but I had a lot of fun. Played with the paints. They seemed to mix very well. I would spray, again this is a long time compressed, but I would spray and then leave the paint sit for 10, 15, 20 minutes, half an hour sometimes, just as I was doing other tasks throughout the day. Altogether though, this took a little over an hour worth of, actually it's an hour's worth of filming, so it's probably a couple hours worth of painting. Again, I was just kind of playing with some techniques, playing with the colors a little bit, and you have to kind of think a few steps ahead because you're going to be overlapping and masking, and what colors are going to come through. Overall, I'd give it about a 6 out of 10. It came out okay, but nothing really like what I had in mind for it. But no big deal, this was not an expensive rifle, and it'll be kind of fun to have a Camouflage single shot 22 to play with. Alright, it's had some time to dry, and it's all set here, so take a final look at it. So basically the effect I was going for was something like a snake, and it didn't really come out exactly how I wanted, but used some Krylon and some Avro. I know some people are into painting and some people aren't, so if you've painted a gun or if you've done a video on it, link up or send us some pictures in the comments or on the chat. Thanks for watching.
The guys and gals of GunWebsites.com encourage you to take a CCW class every year, practice at least once a month, and carry every day. Thanks for watching GunWebsites.com.